Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game. First, open Roblox and make sure the clothing item is actually equipped on your avatar from the Avatar section. Sometimes the item is owned but not currently selected. Next, remove any conflicting accessories or layered clothing because certain combinations can stop shirts or pants from displaying correctly in some games. Now, leave the game and refresh your avatar by changing into another outfit, then switch back to the clothing item you want to use. After that, restart Roblox completely to force the avatar data to sync again. If the clothes still don't appear, check whether the game you're playing uses custom character models or uniforms, because some experiences automatically replace player outfits. You should also verify that the clothing item hasn't been moderated or deleted by Roblox. Finally, clear the Roblox cache or reinstall the app to fix corrupted files. After these steps, your Roblox clothes should display properly in-game again. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.